So galleries in gravity dam. Galleries in gravity dam and joints in gravity dam. First we'll see galleries in gravity dam. What are the galleries? These are the various types of dam galleries. This is rectangular gallery, which is provided in the gravity dam, drainage trough. This is circular gallery, having center diameter. Walkway is provided. And this is oval-shaped gallery. This walkway is provided inside. This is a concrete which is laid afterwards. These are the, depending upon the shape, these galleries are classified as rectangular gallery, circular gallery, and oval-shaped gallery. These are the types of dam galleries. So, what are its functions? Galleries are horizontal or sloping openings or passages left in the body of the dam. So, which are the horizontal or sloping openings? They may be horizontal or sloping, or passages which are provided in the body of the dam. They may run longitudinally parallel to the dam axis or transversely. Because this is the length of dam. Along that length, these galleries are provided longitudinally along the length of the dam, and perpendicular to that length of the dam, that is transversely normal to dam axis. These galleries are provided at various elevations. At various elevations, these galleries are provided. All the galleries are interconnected by steeply sloping passages or by vertical shafts fitted with stairs or mechanical lifts. So these galleries are which are connected by steeply sloping passages. Steeply sloping passages ने connect करेले or by vertical shaft fitted with stairs or mechanical lifts. Or they may interconnected by vertical shafts fitted with stairs or mechanical lifts may be provided. And the size of the gallery will depend upon the size of the dam. जेवढी size dam ची आहे तेवढी size gallery असेल. And it depends upon the function of the gallery, which type of gallery is to be provided. It may be rectangular, circular, or oval shape. What are the functions and types of galleries in the dams? First is foundation gallery. Second one is inspection gallery. That first type is foundation galleries. A gallery provided in the dam may serve one particular purpose or more than one purpose. That is called foundation gallery. It may serve for specific purpose or more than one purpose. That's more functions. For example, a gallery which is provided near the rock foundation may serve to drain off the water which percolates through the foundations. When percolation occurs, percolation at the base of the reservoir. So while percolation of water, the water will enter, will pass through the voids of the soil. So it may reach at the base of the dam. So by provision of the galleries provided near the rock foundations, what happens? It drains off the water which percolates through the foundation. This is the main function, to drain off the water. to avoid the percolation through the foundation. Percolation झालं तर काय होईल, seepage, dam may gets fail, or it may sliding failure may occur, or tension failure may occur, or dam may tilt. So gallery provided near the rock foundation to drain off the water. This is one of the function. This gallery is called foundation gallery or drainage gallery. त्याला काय म्हणायचं, foundation gallery or drainage gallery. Another name of this foundation gallery is drainage gallery because it's drain off the water which percolates through the foundation. It runs longitudinally and it's quite near to the upstream face of the dam. So where it is located, this gallery, foundation gallery, near to the upstream face of the dam. डॅमच्या अपस्ट्रीम फेसला हे लोकेट केलं जातं. तर त्याची साईज किती असते? द साईज व्हेरीज फ्रॉम 1.5 मीटर इंटू 2.2 मीटर टू 1.8 मीटर इंटू 2.4 मीटर. This is the size of this foundation gallery. समजलं foundation gallery, but its function. The main function is to drain off the water which percolates through the foundations. This is the function of this foundation galleries. Drain holes are drilled from the floor of this gallery after the foundation grouting has been completed. So these drain holes are drilled from the floor of this gallery. Drain holes are drilled after completion of this foundation grouting. Seepage is collected through these drain holes. Through these drain holes which are drilled, through that drain hole, seepage of the water that is collected. This is the foundation gallery. Next one is inspection galleries. So what are the inspection galleries? The water which seeps through the body of the dam is collected by means of system of galleries provided at the various elevations. So water which seeps through the body of the dam. After construction of the dam, water is stored on the upstream side of the dam. So there is a water storage on upstream face. So water which seeps through the body of the dam. So depending upon the type of material used, there's in different types of dams: gravity dam, earthen dam, arch dam. So the water which seeps through the body of the dam is collected by means of system of galleries provided at various elevations. At various elevations, these galleries are provided. Say at heights of 15 meter, up at heights of 15 meter, or at intervals 15 meters intervals, these galleries may be provided, and they are interconnected by vertical shafts. Vertical shaft मध्ये interconnected असतात. समजलं inspection galleries. All these galleries, besides draining of seepage water, serve inspection purposes. The main purpose क्या है? It is a function of draining water, draining of seepage water, to drain off the water. This is one of the function. Also, it is used for inspection purposes. How the seepage of the water to observe the seepage of water. Inspection of the seepage of water that is observed through the galleries. So this is the purpose of providing inspection galleries, and they provide access to the interior of the dam and are therefore called inspection galleries. So there is access is provided inside the dam structure. So these galleries are provided for inspection. Galleries in dams are seldom provided for purely inspection purposes. So these galleries are provided for purely inspection purposes, which are provided uh, these galleries in the dams which are seldom provided for purely inspection purposes. So main purpose is to uh, is inspection of the dam. The seepage of water is observed inside the dam. Through this inspection galleries, we can observe the seepage of water. They generally serve other purposes along with this purpose. These are the two types of galleries: foundation galleries and inspection galleries. Samala, any difficulty in this? Please ask. So what are the main functions of these galleries? The main functions are they intercept and drain off the water seeping through the dam body. First function क्या है? They intercept and drain off the water seeping through the body of the dam. म्हणजे water drain off करण्यासाठी. So this is the main function to drain off the water. They provide access to dam interior for observing and controlling the behavior of the dam. Necessity, it provides access to dam interior. आतमध्ये डॅमच्या आतमध्ये ते गॅलरीज प्रोव्हाइड केले असतात. ॲक्सेस इज प्रोव्हाइडेड टू ऑब्झर्व दी सीपेज ऑफ वॉटर फॉर ऑब्झर्विंग अँड कंट्रोलिंग द बिहेवियर ऑफ द डॅम. म्हणजे डॅमचं बिहेवियर कसं आहे, सीपेज ऑफ वॉटर कसं आहे, और for inspection purpose they provide access to dam interior for observing and controlling the behavior of the dam. This is the second function. Third function is they provide enough space for carrying pipes. For carrying pipes also these galleries are provided during artificial cooling of concrete. They provide enough space for carrying pipes during artificial cooling of the concrete. Carrying of the pipes for this purpose, these galleries are provided. So by providing the space, we can carry the pipes to that galleries. This is third function. Fourth is they provide access for grouting the contraction joints when this cannot be done from the face of the dam. Also, it is they are provided for access for the grouting the contraction joints. There are joints are provided, contraction joints. So to provide the access for grouting the contraction joints. So these galleries are provided. Fifth is they provide access to all the outlets and spillway gates walls. Also, it provides access to all the outlets provided in the dam section, spillway gates, walls, to give the access to all these outlets and spillway gates, walls, etc. So these galleries provide the access by housing their electrical and mechanical controls. That electrical and mechanical controls which are provided, all these gates, walls, etc. can hence be easily controlled by men from inside the dam. So some expert persons which are who observe the behavior of the dam, all the gates, walls which are provided in the dam structure, So these are the various functions of the galleries. Sixth one is they provide space for drilling and grouting of the foundations. Also, they are provided for drilling and grouting of the foundation. And it cannot be done from the surface of the dam. Generally, foundation gallery is used for this purpose. So foundation gallery is for this purpose. They provide space for drilling and grouting of the foundations. For drilling and grouting purpose, these galleries are provided. So inspection gallery is provided for inspection purposes. These are the various functions of foundation galleries and inspection galleries. समझ galleries in gravity dam. These are the two types of galleries which are provided in the gravity dam: foundation gallery and inspection galleries. So this is a cross section of the galleries. Various types of dam galleries are rectangular gallery, circular gallery, oval shaped gallery. These are the different cross sections. Cross sections of dam galleries. So dam galleries are formed as the concrete is placed. The dam galleries are formed, and its size depends upon the function of the gallery. The size कशावर depend है? Function of gallery. For which purpose this gallery is provided, and also depending upon the size of the dam. So these are the various shapes of galleries depending upon the shape: rectangular gallery, circular gallery, and oval shaped gallery. These are the various types. The provision of the gallery in the dam body changes the normal pattern of stresses in the body of the dam. So by provision of these galleries in the dam structure, there may be changes the normal pattern of stresses. Normal pattern of stresses may get changed in the body of the dam by provision of these galleries. And also stress concentration may occur at corners. At corners, stress concentration may occur. Hence, in order to minimize this stress concentration, the corners must be rounded smoothly. So to minimize this stress concentration, the corners must be rounded smoothly. ये corners हैं, they are rounded. Then tension and compression zones may be worked out, and proper reinforcement are provided to counteract them. Tension and compression zones may be worked out, and proper reinforcements are provided to counteract these stresses. These are the various cross sections. These are the cross sections of dam galleries. It may be rectangular, circular, or oval shaped. समझ ला? Galleries, dam galleries. So after this, there is a joints in gravity dam. So concreting of the dam is usually placed in blocks. So while construction of the dam, so the concreting of the dam is done, which is placed in blocks. During construction of the dam, the concreting of the dam is done in stages. The size of the blocks will depend upon the size of the dam. The size of these blocks will depend upon the size of the dam. जेवढं size of the dam असेल तेवढं size चा block असेल. And necessity of contraction joints required from the consideration of the cracking of concrete. So contraction joints which are required, which are provided from the consideration of cracking of concrete. These joints are provided in the gravity dam. Their width is usually not more than 15 meter or so in large dams. Its width is usually not more than 15 meter. Its width किती असते joint ची 15 meter in case of large dams. And maximum height of single pour of concrete is usually about 1.5 meter. The width किती असते 15 meter and height is maximum height is 1.5 meter. See the image. The diagram of joints which are put in the gravity dam. See this length of dam hai. Along the length of dam, these joints are provided. The width किती है 15 to 30 meter. Width. The height, maximum height is 1.5 meter. The distance between these joints. See this horizontal longitudinal joints. These are the horizontal longitudinal joints staggered between two transverse joints. These are the vertical transverse joints which are 15 to 30 meter apart. दोन्ही मध्ये distance किती आहे? Transverse joints मध्ये distance. These are longitudinal joints which are provided along the length of the dam. So transverse joints which are perpendicular to longitudinal joints. See this. So यामध्ये the height of the dam. So horizontal longitudinal joints which are provided at a distance 1.5 meter. 0.75 meter from base of the dam is 0.75 meter horizontal longitudinal joints. The vertical or transverse joints are 15 to 30 meter apart. Transverse joints distance किती आहे? दोन्ही मध्ये distance 15 to 30 meter. Rock foundation is provided. Rock foundation at the base. The foundation of the dam is rock foundation. The top of the dam. Total height of the dam it may be 100 meter, 200 meter. Along the length of the dam, these joints are provided, which provided in stages. These joints are staggered between two transverse joints. दोन transverse joints मध्ये provide केलेले horizontal longitudinal joints. These are vertical joints. These are horizontal joints, which are spaced at a distance 1.5 meter. Horizontal longitudinal joints which are spaced at 1.5 meter, and vertical or transverse joints which are spaced at 15 to 30 meter apart. Along the length of the dam, these joints are provided. This is the upstream face of the dam in elevation. Upstream face है. Upstream face of the dam in elevation. It shows the dam joints. So in the dam structure, there are horizontal and vertical joints. Horizontal joints are called longitudinal joints, and vertical joints are called transverse joints. समझला? How these joints are provided in the dam structure? So the alternate blocks of the very first layer which is laid immediately over the rock foundation. The rock foundation वर immediately at a distance 0.75 meter deep, the first layer which is laid या डायग्राम मध्ये पहा 0.75 मीटर वर एक जॉइंट दिलेला आहे खाली रॉक फाउंडेशनच्या वर 0.75 मीटर वर फर्स्ट horizontal longitudinal joints is provided which is laid. After that next joints are laid at a distance 1.5 meter. पहिल्यांदा 0.75 मीटर वर एक जॉइंट्स प्रोव्हाइड केलेला आहे. त्यानंतर परत 1.5 मीटर वर प्रत्येक जॉइंट प्रोव्हाइड केलेला आहे. Dam sections are poured alternately so that each block is permitted to stand several days before another layer is poured of the first. So these joints which are poured, which are laid alternately, so that each block is permitted to stand several days before another layer is poured of the first. In this way, the various layers of these horizontal joints which are laid. So care must be taken to protect the individual dam section from the drying action of air by ensuring full-fledged curing. So these joints which are provided in the dam section, so care must be taken to protect the individual dam section from the drying action of the air. So these joints, they are not allowed to get dried. After shuttering are removed, the lateral surface of each section are painted. After shuttering are removed, shutterings which are provided, which are removed, the lateral surface of each section, while providing these joints, which are painted with asphaltic emulsion paint. Asphaltic emulsion paint ni te paint करून घेतात lateral surfaces, so as to prevent its adherence to the adjoining sections, so that they will not stick to another sections. ते स्टिक होणे म्हणून, अधेर होणे म्हणून काय करतात, द asphaltic emulsion paint provide करतात. They are painted on the lateral surfaces, and thus to serve as construction joints to reduce cracking in concrete. So to avoid the cracking in the concrete, these construction joints are provided. So joints are provided to avoid the cracks, or due to changes in temperature, or so there may be cracking of the concrete. By providing these construction joints, they may get reduce cracking in the concrete. The vertical joints so developed are called as transverse joints. Vertical joints जे प्रोवाइड केले डॅम सेक्शन मध्ये त्याला काय म्हणतात, ट्रान्सवर्स जॉइंट्स. दे रन थ्रू द एंटायर हाईट, जेवढी डॅमची हाईट आहे तेवढ्या लेंथला ते ट्रान्सवर्स जॉइंट्स प्रोव्हाइड केलेले असतात. अँड एक्सटेंड थ्रू द फुल विड्थ ऑफ द डॅम सेक्शन. जेवढी विड्थ आहे डॅमची तेवढ्या विड्थला ते ट्रान्सवर्स जॉइंट प्रोव्हाइड केले असतात. Transverse joint will thus divide the dam length into number of vertical cantilevers. These transverse joints will divide the dam length इंटू नंबर ऑफ वर्टिकल कॅन्टिलिव्हर्स मध्ये ते डिवाइड होतात. So this transverse joints which are provided in the dam section vertically. So the number of vertical cantilevers, each of which is independent of the other, justifying the two-dimensional analysis of the gravity dam. We justify the two-dimensional analysis of the gravity dam by providing the transverse joints in the dam structure. Similar transverse joints. Next one is horizontal joints, which are called longitudinal joints. Horizontal joints as काय म्हणतात? Longitudinal joints. So these joints are developed at each lift height and will extend through the entire width of the dam section. So these horizontal joints that will extend through the entire width of the dam section. Right? Total width of the dam up to total width, जेवढी dam ची width आहे and जेवढी length of dam आहे तेवढ्या lengthला हे joints provide केले असतात. They shall run through the entire length of the dam but shall be staggered between transverse joints. So these joints are staggered. See this diagram, horizontal joints. So these horizontal joints which are staggered between these transverse joints. या दोन transverse joints मध्ये हे horizontal joints place केलेले आहेत at a 1.5 meter distance. And vertical joints which are placed at 15 to 30 meter distance along the length of the dam and along the width of the dam. समझला? Joints, transverse joints and longitudinal joints. Any difficulty? After 1 minute, this session will close. After 1 minute, you have to join again with same link. Next is